Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear students of Inter Part 2, Assalamu alaikum. May peace and blessings of Allah be on all of you. I hope that all of you are happy and healthy. Today I am going to share with you another objective paper. I shared the first one and I hope that you are done with it. Now I am going to share paper 2. First of all, I would give you objective paper, solve it, and then I would give you subjective paper for solution. Therefore, do it very attentively. If you have any problem, you may call me, or you can get help from your helping books or helping material which you have. So let's start with very first sentence. These are you have in these sentences there are underlined words and options are given. You have to look for the right option. So let's get started. Number 1, week by week, little encounters increased. I repeat the sentence. Week by week, little encounters increased. Underline the word encounters. And options which you have are: A option of fights, B option of parties, C option of functions, D option is celebrations. I repeat the options: fights, parties, functions, celebrations. Number 2, Mr. Chips said that he thrashed Collingwood. Mr. Chips said that he thrashed, T-H-R-A-S-H-E-D, thrashed Collingwood, C-O-L-L-I-N-G-W-O-O-D, Collingwood. Collingwood, as you know, was student of Mr. Chips. Your options are praised, punished, admired, helped. These are 4 options. Choose one. Number 3, Chatteris asked Chips not to take anything strenuously. Chatteris, C-H-A-T-T-E-R-I-S. Chatteris, you know, was headmaster of Brookfield. He was friend of Mr. Chips as well. Chatteris asked Chips not to take anything strenuously. Underline this word, strenuously. In statement number 2, underlined word is thrashed. I think I forgot to mention it. Thrashed. I repeat sentence number 3. Chatteris asked Chips not to take anything strenuously. Strenuously, S-T-R-E-N-U-O-U-S-L-Y, strenuously, underlined it. Options are slowly, idly, I-D-L-Y, lazily, laboriously. Last option is laboriously, L-A-B-O-R-I-O-U-S-L-Y. नेक्स्ट लिखें, thrifty housewives preserved food in the past. Thrifty, T-H-R-I-F-T-Y, thrifty housewives. एक ही वर्ड आप लिखेंगे, housewives preserved food in the past. Underlined word is thrifty. Your options are frugal, F-R-U-G-A-L, frugal, careless, idle, lazy. I repeat the options: frugal, careless, idle, lazy. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस लिखें जी. इट इज एब्सर्ड टू कीप द प्रिंटेड रबिश. इट इज एब्सर्ड टू कीप द प्रिंटेड रबिश. अंडरलाइंड वर्ड इज absurd. Options are wise, silly, 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 happiness, nice. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस लिखें जी. चाइना हैज कंट्रोल्ड द एग्जॉडस. EXODUS, एग्जॉडस. अंडरलाइंड वर्ड है ये, इसी अंडरलाइन दिस वर्ड एग्जॉडस. फ्रॉम कंट्री साइड, COUNTRYSIDE. कंट्री साइड कहते हैं देहाती इलाका, रूरल एरिया. चाइना, ये जो आपका लेसन है चाइनाज वे टू प्रोग्रेस, उसमें से लिया गया है. चाइना हैज कंट्रोल्ड द एग्जॉडस, EXODUS, फ्रॉम कंट्री साइड. योर ऑप्शंस आर माइग्रेशन, ignorance, education, evil. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस लिखें. द कंडीशंस इन द सहारा. सहारा डेजर्ट आपने पढ़ा हुआ जी. हिच हाइकिंग अक्रॉस द सहारा. सहारा SAHARA वर एगनाइजिंग. The conditions in Sahara were agonizing. Underline the word agonizing. 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 The conditions in Sahara were agonizing. Options लिखें जी. Fascinating, agreeing, unpleasant, soft. Fascinating, agreeing, unpleasant, soft. नेक्स्ट लिखें, लास्ट सेंटेंस लिखें. An appalling number of women died of the disease. I repeat the sentence. An appalling number of women, appalling, 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 underline this word as well. An appalling number of women died of the disease, full stop. Ordinary, agreeable, small, alarming. लास्ट ऑप्शन इज अलार्मिंग. एक सेंटेंस और लिख लें. This was a gigantic task. This was a gigantic task. Underline the word gigantic. ऑप्शंस लिखें. बिग, बैड, इनवैलिड, ऑर्डिनरी. आई रिपीट द ऑप्शंस. बिग, बैड, invalid, ordinary. So this was first part of your objective paper. Now you have to choose the right preposition. Sentence number 1, write down sentence number 1. He is void dash wisdom. He is void, VOID dash wisdom. मतलब वो दनाई से महरूम है, उसके अंदर कोई अक्ल समझ नहीं है. ऑप्शंस लिखें जी, ऑफ, फॉर, टू, विद। नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस लिखें, द ब्रेव डू नॉट यील्ड डैश एनिमी। द ब्रेव डू नॉट यील्ड, YIELD डैश एनिमी। यील्ड मीन्स सरेंडर, गिव इन, वो हथियार नहीं डालते हैं, मतलब बहादुर लोग जो होते हैं वो दुश्मन के सामने हथियार नहीं डालते। ऑप्शंस आर फॉर, FOR फॉर, अगेंस्ट, विद, टू। नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस लिखें, सलीम इंट्रोड्यूस्ड अली डैश मी। सलीम इंट्रोड्यूस्ड अली डैश मी, मतलब सलीम ने अली को मुझसे मुतारिफ करवाया था। योर ऑप्शंस आर इन, IN इन, ऑफ, टू, ऑन। नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस लिखें, हिना इज श्योर डैश हर सक्सेस। हिना इज श्योर डैश हर सक्सेस। योर ऑप्शंस आर एट, ऑफ, अबाउट, ऑन। एट, ऑफ, अबाउट, ऑन। लास्ट सेंटेंस लिखें इसमें, he has no taste dash music। he has no taste dash music, मतलब उस मौसीकी का कोई ज़ोक नहीं है उसे, कोई ज़ोक शौक दिलचस्पी नहीं है उसे। he has no taste dash music। ऑप्शंस आर ऑफ, फॉर, इन, अपॉन। That's it. Now an other part, yani I am going to give sentences and you have to correct those sentences. These sentences are incorrect sentences. You may recall in the classroom we did correction of errors. Correction of errors. Same question here. Question number इसमें sentence number 1 लिखें, rich should not hate the poor। I repeat the sentence, rich should not hate the poor। There is a mistake in this sentence and you have to look for that mistake and then write down the correct sentence. Next sentence, he refused that he had told a lie। He refused that he had told a lie। Again, there is a mistake in this sentence and you have to point out that mistake and then correct it. And suppose you do not find the correct version and or you are unable to understand it, you may call me, you may text me, I would make it clear. Next, लिखें, he is ill from fever। he is ill from fever। नेक्स्ट लिखें जी, वर्क हार्ड लेस्ट यू शुड नॉट फेल। वर्क हार्ड लेस्ट यू शुड नॉट फेल। अगेन it is an incorrect sentence, you have to correct it। लास्ट सेंटेंस लिखें, शी इज सीनियर देन मी। शी इज सीनियर देन मी। करेक्ट इट। सो स्टूडेंट्स, these were the sentences and this was your objective paper। Now you can take it down and then do it। You know, objective is very important। segment of your paper. It has 20 marks and you must prepare it very seriously. In order to secure good marks in English paper, you must get it 15 plus marks, at least 15 plus marks in your objective. All the best. Thank you very much. May God bless all of you.